Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Bitget in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between exchanges like Coinbase and Bitget can open up new trading opportunities. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitget. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and create one. Remember, security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your wallet. Find your USDT balance. That's the stablecoin we're working with. Before you proceed, double-check that you have enough USDT and understand any network fees, as transfers usually happen on the Ethereum or Tron network. Step 2. Now, switch over to Bitget. Go to your wallet section and select the deposit option for USDT. You'll need to generate a wallet address. Copy this carefully, as it's unique to your account. Pro tip. Always verify the network type matches what Coinbase uses, like ERC20 for Ethereum-based USDT, to avoid any lost funds. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section. Paste the Bitget wallet address into the recipient field, select USDT as the asset, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review everything twice, the address, amount, and network, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this through email or an authenticator app. Step 4. Once the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion and fees. Head back to Bitget and check your wallet to see when the USDT arrives. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on Bitget, ready for trading or staking. Always double-check fees and use secure connections to prevent any issues. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge. See you next time.